breakthroughs in science. People today enjoy a better quality of life. We prevent epidemics, invent new machines, and bring the world together with gadgets like the TV and computer. But these advancements did not appear magically out of nowhere. In fact, they were created by the unflagging efforts and struggles of dedicated men of science through the ages. This video tells you about some of the great scientists. Archimedes is best remembered as an ancient Greek scientist who made legendary contributions to mathematics, physics, engineering, and astronomy. Archimedes is most famous for the Archimedes principle, which explains how to measure the volume of an irregular object. Hippocrates, a Greek physician, founded the Hippocratic School of Medicine. Hippocrates transformed medicine into science. He wrote on a variety of medical topics including diagnosis, epidemics, obstetrics, pediatrics, nutrition, and surgery. To this day, newly qualified doctors take an oath called the Hippocratic Oath that lays down the basic rules of conduct that doctors must follow. Euclid is renowned to this day for his book Elements. Elements is divided into 13 books which cover plane geometry, arithmetic and number theory, irrational numbers and solid geometry. His books begin with basic definitions and then go on to prove different mathematical theories. So, it is only natural that Euclid is called the father of geometry. He stressed the importance of logic and reason in teaching and understanding maths. Pythagoras was an ancient Greek mathematician and philosopher. It is also believed that he had a significant influence on medicine, music, astronomy, and divination. Pythagoras is best known for the mathematical theory named after him. He is, without doubt, one of the great scientists not only of the ancient world, but of all time. Aristotle was one of the most respected Greek thinkers. He was also the teacher of Alexander the Great. Aristotle wrote on many subjects including physics, biology, zoology, metaphysics, logic, ethics, aesthetics, poetry, theatre, music, rhetoric, linguistics, politics, and government. Aristotle's influence on Western culture and science has been enormous. His writings show him to be a man of tremendous intellect who thought deeply about the world. Eratosthenes was an ancient Greek scientist who was famous as a mathematician and geographer. Eratosthenes produced a reliable logical method to discover prime numbers. It's known as the sieve of Eratosthenes and is still important in modern number theory in an updated form. Assuming that the Earth was a sphere, Eratosthenes calculated its size with good accuracy. He also calculated the tilt of Earth's axis fairly accurately. He produced the first map of the world, which used meridian lines and parallel lines. These were similar to our modern lines of latitude and longitude. This great scientist can be said to have invented geography. Eratosthenes also wrote books on philosophy, mathematics, astronomy, history, comedy, and poetry. His all-round knowledge made him the ideal choice for the most prestigious job an academic could enjoy in ancient Greece. Ptolemy was a Greek astronomer, astrologer, mathematician, and geographer. His work Almagest is one of the most important works in ancient astronomy. It covers the motion of sun, moon, and the planets around the earth. It also contains a catalogue of stars with their brightness on a logarithmic scale. Ptolemy's second important work is called Geography. Alhazen was an Arab who was known as the first true scientist. A scientist, philosopher, astronomer, and mathematician, Alhazen wrote over 100 books. One of his most influential writings was in the field of optics. In this book, Alhazen gave experimental proof of the nature of light, the structure of the eye, and the basic principles of reflection through mirror. Nicolaus Copernicus was a 15th century astronomer, mathematician, translator, artist, and physicist, among other things. He is best known as the first astronomer to put forward the idea of a system in which the planets and planetary objects orbit the sun. Copernicus had begun to create his model of the planetary system, suggesting that the sun and not our Earth was the center of the universe. Galen was the ancient Roman Empire's greatest physician. He had great expertise in anatomy, surgery, pharmacology, and therapeutic methods. Galen, the great scientist, consolidated the work of the previous Greek medical researchers, adding the results of his own research to create an incredibly long-lasting medical doctrine. This medical doctrine dominated the Western world for 1,500 years. Roger Bacon was an English philosopher, promoted experimental science, and was deeply interested in the study of nature. He studied mathematics, astronomy, optics, alchemy, and languages. His study on the nature of light and on rainbows are especially noteworthy. He was also called Dr. Mirabilis. Mirabilis in Latin means wonderful teacher. Paracelsus was a renowned German physicist and botanist. His path-breaking findings in botany and medicine made him a pioneer in his field. Paracelsus brought together the use of chemicals in medicines. In 1526, he coined the term zincum for the chemical element zinc. He is also known for discovering laudanum, which is an alcoholic herbal preparation. Andreas Vesalius was the founder of modern anatomy. This 16th century physician and surgeon completely revolutionized the science of biology and medicine. He published a remarkable book, De Humani Corporis Fabrica. It was a fully illustrated anatomy of the human body based on the observations Vesalius had made during his dissections. Vesalius was the first surgeon to actually cut open a cadaver or a dead body of a human being, and his exceptionally detailed muscle drawings changed medical history for all time. It was Andreas Vesalius who first concluded that nerves are not hollow. Tycho Brahe was a famous Danish astronomer who played a vital role in the development of various astronomical instruments. He devised his own instrument even before the invention of the telescope to observe the heavens. These instruments allowed Brahe to determine the movements of heavenly objects more precisely. Brahe built his first observatory at Hereward Abbey in 1572 and another one named Uraniborg in 1576. He also built a third one called Sterneborg in 1581. Galileo Galilei was a groundbreaking Italian astronomer, physicist, mathematician, philosopher, and inventor. He opened the eyes of the world to a new way of thinking about how the solar system works. Galileo stated that, in fact, the solar system revolves around the sun. He also invented an improved telescope so that he could gaze far into space. He was the first to see Jupiter's moon and the first to realize that our moon was covered with craters. Besides inventing the improved telescopes, he also invented the compass and the thermometer. Johannes Kepler was a leading astronomer of the scientific revolution. The scientific revolution is the term used to describe the emergence of modern science that took place throughout the 16th and 17th centuries. Kepler is best known for his discovery that the orbits in which the Earth and the other planets of the solar system travel around the Sun are elliptical or oval in shape. Since he was such a prominent figure in the field of astronomy, a lot of spots on distant planets have been named after him, such as Kepler's crater on Mars and the Kepler crater on the Moon. William Harvey was an English physician who was the first person to correctly describe blood circulation in the human body. Blaise Pascal was a French philosopher and scientist who made important contributions to maths, science, and philosophy. As a mathematician, Pascal developed two separate fields of math. They are projective geometry and probability theory. In projective geometry, he developed what became known as Pascal's triangle, in which the sums of successive numbers build on themselves to form the numerical row beneath. Pascal's scientific theories were important to understanding the properties and volume of solids using cycloids. Robert Boyle was a famous Anglo-Irish scientist. Boyle made chemistry a science based on measurement. He defined elements, compounds, and mixtures, and he coined the new term chemical analysis, a field in which he made several contributions. Robert Boyle is most famous for Boyle's law. Robert Boyle is regarded as the first modern chemist and is referred to as one of the founders of modern chemistry. Marcello Malpighi was an Italian biologist and physician. He founded the sciences of microscopy microscopic anatomy and histology. Malpighi was also the earliest person to observe red blood cells under a microscope. He is noted for his studies on the structure of glands. In his treatise De Polypo Cordis, published in 1666, Malpighi explained blood composition as well as how blood clots are formed. His research provided a foundation for later advances in physiology, embryology, and practical medicine. Christian Huygens is a Dutch philosopher and mathematician. In his book entitled Cisterna Saturnium, published in 1659, he noted the discovery of the rings around the planet Saturn and made observations about the planets, the Moon, and Orion Nebula. Evangelista Torricelli was the inventor of the barometer. He was an Italian mathematician best known for his contributions to optics. Anton van Leeuwenhoek was a 17th century Dutch scientist. He is best known for discovering protozoa and creating more than 500 simple microscopes. Leeuwenhoek was the first scientist to closely observe cells under a microscope. He is considered to be the father of microbiology. Sir Isaac Newton, an Englishman who lived in the 17th century, is a scientific legend. In 1687, Newton published his book Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica. In it, he described universal gravitation and the three laws of motion. It is widely regarded to be one of the most important books in the history of science. It is well known that his work on formulating a theory of gravitation was inspired by watching an apple fall from a tree. During his lifetime, Newton developed a new type of mathematics called calculus and made breakthroughs in the area of optics, such as the reflecting telescope. He also discovered that white light is made up of a wide range of different colors. Edmund Halley was an English scientist who became very interested in a comet that he saw in 1682. By using the laws of gravity discovered by his friend Sir Isaac Newton, Halley realized that he could predict when it would return. Halley worked out that the comet would appear in our skies every 75 to 76 years. He was correct in his prediction, but sadly, when the comet did reappear, he was no more, and he could not witness the confirmation he had waited for so eagerly. In his honor, the comet was named after him. In the 18th century, the Swedish naturalist and physician Carl Linnaeus introduced the scientific system of classifying plants and animals that is used all over the world to this day. The classification of living things is called taxonomy. It was a huge effort and it won Linnaeus acclaim as the father of the taxonomy. Joseph Black, a British chemist and physicist, is famous for his discovery of carbon dioxide. Black also took an interest in the science of heat. Joseph Black, widely respected both as a scientist and a physician, is truly one of the titans in the world of science. biology in 1772 was his work with photosynthesis. William Herschel was a German-born British scientist who became one of the most important astronomers of the 18th century. His study of the heavens led him to the discovery of a planet that would eventually be called Uranus. Anton Lavoisier found that oxygen made up 20% of air and was vital for combustion and respiration. Lavoisier announced a new fundamental law of nature, the law of conservation of mass. Jean-Baptiste Lamarck was one of the pioneers in the field of biology. In fact, the very name biology was coined by this French naturalist. He is best remembered for his theory of evolution. Pierre-Simon Laplace was a French physicist. These predictions were later confirmed with powerful telescopes. Edward Jenner, a doctor in England, lived during the 18th century. Edward Jenner thus became the pioneer of the world's first vaccine, the smallpox vaccine. His work on smallpox vaccine made him internationally famous. Today, smallpox has been completely eradicated from the world thanks to the smallpox vaccine and Edward Jenner. Samuel Hahnemann, a German physician, founded homeopathy. He is the father of experimental pharmacology. John Dalton, a British scientist, is probably best known for his groundbreaking research and contributions to two completely different fields, atomic theory and color blindness. Atomic theory in chemistry. John Dalton's atomic energy that laid the foundations of modern chemistry. Ampere's law of electromagnetism and produced the best definition of electric current of his time. He also proposed the existence of a particle we now recognize as the electron, discovered the chemical element fluorine and grouped elements by their properties. In recognition of Ampere's contributions to modern electrical science, the ampere was established as a standard unit of electrical measurement in 1881, 45 years after his death. Yellapragada Subbarao was a pioneering Indian biochemist who discovered the function of adenosine triphosphate as an energy source in the cell. Developed methotrexate for the treatment of cancer. Avogadro found science was much more intellectually stimulating. In honor of his contributions to molecular theory, the number of molecules in one mole was named Avogadro's number. His theory of celestial movement remains a cornerstone of astronomical computation to this day. Gauss is deservedly ranked as one of history's most influential mathematicians. Humphrey Davy is renowned for the invention in 1815 of the Davy's safety lamp that helped to prevent explosions in coal mines. Michael Faraday is the father of electricity. Friedrich Wöhler was an Indian colloid chemist, academic, and scientific administrator. The first Director General of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. He is referred as the father of research laboratories in India. Justus Liebig is considered to be the founder of organic chemistry. Louis Agassiz played an important role in the study of geological history, including the founding of glaciology. Charles Darwin was an English naturalist who is best known for his ideas on evolution. Charles Darwin published his book on the origin of species. Homi Jehangir Bhabha was an Indian nuclear physicist known as the father of the Indian nuclear program. Claude Bernard's experiments resulted in a number of important discoveries, including the finding that the small intestine played a key role in the digestive process. Bernard discovered glycogen, the large molecule found in animals' livers, which acts as a reserve store of carbohydrates. Hermann Ludwig Helmholtz, a German physician and physicist, is best known for the law of the conservation of energy. James Joule was the first person to calculate the speed of a molecule of gas about 457 meters a second for oxygen at average temperature. Joule recognized the need for standard units of electricity. In fact, the unit of energy is named the joule in recognition of his contributions. Gregor Mendel, a 19th century monk, is the founder of modern genetics. He is famous for his pea plant experiments, which helped to establish some of the now expected laws of heredity. Louis Pasteur, a French chemist and microbiologist, made many important discoveries related to the immune system, vaccinations, chemistry, and the nature of diseases. He found that heating up the liquids would kill most of the microbes and allow the beverages to last longer and be safer to drink. This process became known as pasteurization. He produced the first vaccine for rabies. Gustav Kirchhoff discovered that thermal radiation is given off by all objects that have a temperature greater than absolute zero. Stephen Hawking, theoretical physicist and cosmologist, is remarkable in many ways. Despite challenging physical impairments, he has contributed hugely to the world of science. He wrote a book called A Brief History of Time. Joseph Lister is often called the father of modern surgery because of the life-saving precautions he introduced in the field of surgery. Wilhelm Wundt, a German doctor and philosopher, is acknowledged as one of the greatest and most influential physiologists of all time. James Maxwell brought together a large number of equations, experiments, and observations related to electricity and magnetism. Maxwell's contributions in the fields of kinetic theory and thermodynamics are many. He is even believed to have created the first true color photograph. Dmitry Mendeleev was a Russian chemist and inventor who is best known for the discovery of the periodic law, which he introduced in 1869, and for his formulation of the periodic table of elements. The crater Mendeleev on the moon and the radioactive element Mendelevium are named after Dmitry was a German biologist and one of the founders of the science of genetics. He is best known for his germplasm theory. Robert Koch was a famous German physician who gained renown as one of the founders of bacteriology and microbiology. Koch was very much interested in how the disease known as anthrax spread from cattle to humans. He won the Nobel Prize for Medicine for his groundbreaking work on tuberculosis. Wilhelm Röntgen, a German scientist, was the recipient of the first Nobel Prize in Physics. Röntgen carried out research in several fields. Main is the discovery of X-rays. Thomas Alva Edison invented a new version of the telegraph. Edison invented the phonograph. The phonograph was a machine that recorded and played back sounds. In 1878, Edison invented the light bulb as well as the power grid system, which could generate electricity and deliver it to homes through a network of wires. Edison registered 1,093 patents in the US and he continued to invent products. He made significant contributions to storage, batteries, and motion pictures. His inventions changed the world forever, and Edison remains a colossus in the field of science to this day. Alexander Graham Bell was an influential scientist, engineer, and inventor who is considered to be the inventor of the first practical telephone. Ivan Pavlov, a Russian physiologist, is an iconic figure who was the first to offer a scientific approach to psychology. He won the 1904 Nobel Prize for Physiology or Medicine. Henri Becquerel was a French physicist who discovered radioactivity through his investigations of uranium and other substances. In 1903, Becquerel shared the Nobel Prize for Physics with the chemists Pierre and Marie Curie. Max Planck was a German theoretical physicist who made significant contributions. We can say that the quantum theory grew from the ideas of Max Planck. The theory has been developed to explain the behavior of particles and the energy they emit. Planck was awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1918. Sigmund Freud was an Australian neurologist. He is best known for developing the theories and techniques of psychoanalysis. Sigmund Freud's greatest achievement was in the area of the unconscious mind. J.J. Thomson, an English physicist, took science to new heights with his 1897 discovery of the electron. J.J. Thomson was awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1906. Heinrich Hertz, a brilliant German scientist, he discovered the photoelectric effect, which states that a charged object loses its charge faster when exposed to ultraviolet light. The unit of frequency measured in cycles per second was named Hertz in his honor. Hertz's discovery eventually led to the invention of the wireless telegraph and the radio. Ronald Rose was an Indian-born British doctor who is famous for his work concerning malaria. Ronald Rose received the Nobel Prize for Physiology or Medicine in 1902 for his work on the transmission of malaria. Thomas Hunt Morgan was an eminent American zoologist and geneticist. Morgan received the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1913 1933 for his discoveries on the role that the chromosome plays in heredity. Marie Curie, a Polish-born French chemist and physicist, is a legend for many reasons. She was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize and the first person and only woman to win it twice. Marie's research was in the field of radioactivity. In 1903, the Nobel Prize in Physics was awarded to Marie and Pierre Curie for their work in radiation. In 1911, Marie Curie was awarded another Nobel Prize, this time in chemistry, for her discovery of radium and polonium and subsequent research. Ernest Rutherford is considered to be the father of nuclear physics. The element 104 Rutherfordium is named after him. Interestingly, even though his research was in the field of nuclear physics, he was awarded the Nobel Prize for Chemistry in 1908. Guglielmo Marconi, a famous Italian physicist, invented the wireless telegraph. He is hailed as the father of radio. In 1901, Marconi sent radio signals across the Atlantic Ocean for the first time. As a result of his success, Marconi was awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1909. NFL Chandi George Sudarshan was an Indian-American theoretical physicist and a professor at the University of Texas. Sudarshan has been credited with numerous contributions to the field of theoretical physics. Albert Einstein was an intellectual giant whose scientific achievements influenced the philosophy of science forever. Born in Germany, he made awesome contributions to the field of theoretical physics and in 1921 won a Nobel Prize for his work in this field. The essence of Einstein's special theory of relativity was that if matter is converted into energy, then energy released can be shown in the simple formula E is equal to mc squared. Einstein's vision and his theories of relativity and quantum physics are without doubt the hallmarks of a scientific genius. Alexander Fleming, a Scottish biologist, pharmacologist, and botanist, made history with the discovery of penicillin, the world's first antibiotic substance, in 1928. Niels Bohr was a Danish physicist, philosopher, and promoter of scientific research. Bohr explained that each element on the periodic table had chemical properties that were determined by the number and behavior of their electrons. This great scientist was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1922. Edwin Hubble, an American astronomer, made a huge impact on astronomy and science in general by demonstrating that other galaxies besides our own Milky Way existed. Hermann Joseph Muller is best known as the founder of the field of radiation genetics, for which he received the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1946. James Chadwick was an English physicist whose research with radioactivity pointed to the presence of a particle with no electrical charge in the nucleus of atoms. Chadwick received the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1935 for his discovery. Linus Pauling, an American chemist, biochemist, field awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1954 for his scientific work. In 1962, he was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for his peace activism. This makes him only the person to be awarded two unshared Nobel Prizes. Enrico Fermi, an Italian physicist, is remembered as the architect of the nuclear age. In 1938, Fermi received the Nobel Prize in Physics for his work on induced radioactivity by neutron bombardment and the discovery of transuranic elements. Element 100, fermium, is named in his honor. Albert Sabin was a Polish-born physician and a virologist. Albert Sabin will always be remembered as the scientist who developed the live poliovirus vaccine that made eradication of the disease a possibility. He received the Nobel Prize in 1962. Francis Crick, an English molecular biologist, will always be remembered as one of those responsible for unveiling the mystery of the DNA molecular structure. James Watson, an American molecular biologist, geneticist, and zoologist, shared the 1962 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for discovering the structure of DNA in 1953. Hargobind Khorana, a Nobel Prize-winning Indian-American biochemist, known for his construction of the first synthetic gene and renowned research in nucleic acids and proteins. Shushruta, who lived in the 7th century BC, was an ancient Indian surgeon who was famous for his pioneering operations and techniques. His book, the Shushruta Samhita, is an advanced collection of the surgical practices that he developed. He is regarded as the father of surgery and the father of plastic surgery. Richard Feynman was an American scientist. Feynman wrote two important books, The Character of Physical Law and QED, The Strange Theory of Light and Matter. He was awarded the 1965 Nobel Prize in Physics for successfully resolving problems related to the theory of quantum electrodynamics. Aryabhatta was a great mathematician and astronomer in ancient India. He wrote many mathematical and astronomical treatises. His chief work was the Aryabhatiya, which was a compilation of mathematics and astronomy. Aryabhatta stated that the correct number of days in a year is 365. The first Indian satellite was named Aryabhatta. A lunar crater and an Indian research center also bear his name. Sir Jagadish Chandra Bose is one of the most famous among Indian scientists. He was a physicist, biologist, biophysicist, botanist, and archaeologist, as well as a writer of science fiction. Bose built a very sophisticated instrument called crescograph, which could record and observe the minute responses of plants to external stimulants. Bose revised another instrument called coherer. In 1917, he founded the Bose Institute and dedicated it to the promotion of scientific studies in India. Emil Hermann Fischer, more commonly known as Emil Fischer, was an eminent German chemist. He received the Nobel Prize for Chemistry in 1902 in recognition of his work in the sugar and purine groups. Srinivasa Ramanujan was without doubt a mathematical genius. Without evaluation of elliptical functions, infinite series, continued fractions, and mock theta functions. In 1918, Ramanujan became the first Indian mathematician to be elected a Fellow of the British Royal Society. Sir C.V. Raman is best known for his work in the field of light scattering. He found Raman effect. The change of color can act as a fingerprint for the molecule. Today, Raman spectroscopy, which relies on these fingerprints, is used in laboratories all over the world to identify molecules and to analyze living cells and tissues to detect diseases such as cancer. Sir C.V. Raman received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930. He was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize for Physics and is considered to be a scientist par excellence. Subramanian Chandrasekhar worked on the origins and structures of stars, earning an important place in the world of science. Chandrasekhar was one of the first scientists to couple the study of physics with the study of astronomy. Chandrasekhar received the 1983 Nobel Prize in Physics for his work on the physical process involved in the evolution of stars. Meghnad Saha was an Indian astrophysicist who developed the Saha ionization equation used to describe chemical and physical conditions in stars. Satyendranath Bose was an Indian mathematician and physicist specializing in theoretical physics. He is best known for his work on quantum mechanics in the early 1920s, collaborating with Albert Einstein in developing the foundation for Bose-Einstein statistics and the theory of the Bose-Einstein condensate. Alfred Binet, a French psychologist who played a dominant role in the development of experimental psychology, made fundamental contributions to the measurement of intelligence.